have to cut. Yeah.
You fooled me before.
It should burst into flames, and then when you.
Oh, turn the lights out then.
Yeah.
They're behind Mike actually.
Cool.
Where?
Okay.
Behind Mike, this Mike, on the wall.
Take it to the other room actually. Go on, too.
Hey.
No, it's on the floor.
Where?
Here we go.
The other side of the chair.
Okay.
Uh,
I was
There we
gonna.
go.
Where are my children? James!
Madeline's taken a thing of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to shut the curtains? The curtains?
You can put it across the table too, can't you?
I know, darling. Look at that.
Let's get a knife.
Oh, you can definitely smell it. Oh, there are bubbles outside.
Oh, Mummy, no, really, I've got a trick to be able to do eating time.
To do what time?